Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Love yourself. A merry little Christmas. Love. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Okay, finished my makeup. My hair is looking a little flat, but you know, nothing I can really do about that. So, sorry, I'm like fixing my hair. Anyway, whatever. So yeah, we're looking very casual, and then today we're gonna like transform, you know what I mean? So, right now I'm looking for headphones. I literally cannot find them. I can never freaking find headphones, and I need them for editing when I get to the hotel, and I can't find him. Oh yeah, I forgot to say good morning to the vlog. Today, what's today? Day 15 for Vlogmas. I'm starving, it's like only 11:30. So, what are you doing over here? He follows me once again. He's following me once again. Come here, I'm gonna pick you up. Come here, I'm gonna pick you up. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. I love you so much. I love you. I love you. You're so cute. You're so cute. I know why you're following me. I'm gonna pick you up. Okay. I think Boo knows I'm leaving and he's scared that you're gonna be in charge of him.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Jarvis just drank the last Diet Coke, didn't tell me.
Don't put that angle in.
I'm not gonna put it in, but I'm so mad at you.
I already know you're gonna put it in.
What? Jarvis taught me how to make a potato in the microwave today.
You didn't believe me at first. You had to double check my answer.
Is it always good to double check?
I never second guess anything you say to me.
You lie.
What do you mean I'm lying?
Are you gonna miss me this weekend?
Yeah.
For a day? Are you gonna be okay without me?
Yeah, you're taking Boo with you, right?
No, you have to clean his cat box.
I have to clean it. Oh,
I clean it every day.
That's weird that you're leaving the same day as cat box as you've been cleaned.
And he's been eating a lot lately, so don't forget you have to fill his water bowl every morning, food every morning. Right now I'm speed eating on my computer before I go, because I think they're gonna be here soon, and I made like a huge ass meal. Look at this. Like, what am I thinking? What?
Nothing. I don't want you to. You're just trying to get this on camera so you can use it and say.
In a court of law.
And say, oh, you told me we were going there.
Jarvis said that he's gonna eat the meatballs. I said, don't eat those because I will have to go all the way back to Trader Joe's. He's like, oh, well, we have to go grocery shopping anyway. I said, no, I have to go all the way back over there. And he's like, guess what? We can go together. Where'd you go? Okay, should be here any minute. Did I show you my makeup? I think I did, but I really need to stop for a Diet Coke because Jarvis had the last one. I'm playing your game.
Don't.
I'm playing it. Playing my boyfriend's game prank?
No, stop. I don't need you to.
Wait, what did you get me for Christmas?
I can't have you find
Can you
out.
tell me? He says he spent $400.
I can't.
What would be $400?
I got you a suitcase so you can pack your bags and get the hell out of here.
Somebody commented today on the video and said, you need to be nicer to him. I only made it 1 minute and 30 seconds and I had to get out of this video. I'm like, the fuck? He deserves it. What did you get me for Christmas? I'm like dying to know. I'm dying to know. Do you think it'll be a really good, like this will be the best Christmas ever for me?
Who knows? Maybe I'm just building all this hype up to do the ultimate prank and give you something from Goodwill. A little taste of your own medicine.
They're here. Can you help me bring my stuff down? They're here.
It's a bit alive. Have yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have your
Really? Oh, I've been in that one. It's really not cool. We're downtown.
We're downtown, and I think the hotel is over here.
Okay, I feel really sick.
You should have taken a boating like I did.
For the elevator?
And the parking garage. Spin-a-roo.
Oh good, it smells like absolute sewage.
snow.
Let it snow.
So let it snow.
Whoa, we've never been on this side before. The rim. My gosh, look at that. This is a good view.
Well, we're on Michigan Avenue.
It's like unobstructed.
Ooh, this is a pretty room. Oh, this is nice. The floor-to-ceiling window. Oh,
Yeah, it is.
we're looking at a roof.
I mean, what else are you gonna look at though?
Not a roof. See, those don't have the roof, maybe.
Yeah, they do. It's unobstructed. At least there's nothing like no building right next to us.
True.
Lots of light. I can see the Sephora. It's down there. Oh my god! I can literally, if you can see it from your room, that's how you know. I can see
a
the
big
Burberry. The Burberry's over there. What a cool room!
Okay, now she did say we could have a cot if you want me to sleep on a cot.
No.
Yeah, let's put her on it.
We're fine. We don't need.
No, we don't need one. Do you move though? I have.
I don't move a lot.
Just so you know, I have night sweats. I literally want this, but it's probably like $5. Here it is. $5. I have one.
I know. You have this one.
Yeah, like a little more tan than this. I have that. Yeah.
I'll be over here by the candy.
Oh,
Watched any.
I thought you watched all of
I told you
them.
about them.
I thought you
I
watched all
watched
of
like 4. I haven't had any time with the freaking Christmas.
Did you watch Christmas Prince?
Was Christmas Prince the? Which one is Christmas Prince?
She's a. Oh my god. Oh.
No, you know what, Mom? Because I come in on Ohio, but I literally cut like 4 blocks that way at least to get over to Munster.
Ooh, here we go. Oh, it's kind of packed. It's a lot of people. What?
I really want to try the cauliflower.
The what?
I really want to try the charred cauliflower. Here, let's put our drinks together. Yeah.
Okay. Wow. You gotta love it.
Wait, what did you get?
Sparkling antioxidant tea.
And I got
It's just green tea with pomegranate and
Spicy. I think harissa is like spicy.
I'm ready to eat again in about 3 hours.
Let me do yours. What did you get?
chicken pica.
Sharing. This is what I told my mom to buy because this is my favorite one. So she bought Child Star Too Faced liquid lipstick, and then I told her to get Iconic Nude from Charlotte Tilbury.
Because I've been looking for a nude.
She needs a new lipstick that's not like literally the color of a peach.
A peach. Every nude I buy is
It's too
peach.
warm.
Alright.
So you need to like overline.
My hair. Okay. So overline, you said.
Yeah.
I'm doing this right.
Yeah. Oh my god. Don't go so fast. What did you do? Oh my god!
Why do I have a dark line?
Okay, you gotta blend it.
There we go.
Yeah, just keep going like a little bit.
Well, it doesn't help that I have no lips.
Usually my favorite lip combo.
How's that?
I mean, yeah.
I'm kinda outlining it.
Okay. Dude, why are you throwing that away?
Why would I keep it?
Well, what if you hate it? Doesn't look bad. Do you want to try a gloss or no?
No.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
It's a bit alive. It's a bit alive.
Thing is though, when you get dressed up, you wanna go out at night.
Right.
You know, you go out at 2 o'clock.
Right, it's just a little different.
It's a whole different feel.
With the 3-year-olds.
Oh no. I'm yawning. Well, I'm trying to take my outfit. When you're yawning, that's not a good sign.
Chime in?
No, if you can if you have anything that you feel like
Alright.
is very good.
We need to correct you on anything?
I can't stop yawning. Hold on.
It's not the company. I hope it's not the company.
It is. I have to give an update on the place we went to eat. True Food Kitchen was so good. They have a lot of vegan options, so we got I'm actually editing my video, so I'm just gonna go look and see. It was, what was it, cauliflower?
Cauliflower, but I can't remember what was special about it.
I know. It was in sauce.
Charred cauliflower, I think it was, but it's like grilled cauliflower.
Yeah.
And like
With
a vegan sauce. It was so good.
It was so good, but we don't
Like an
know what
Asian
that was.
It was like an Asian sauce.
I don't know. It was the best thing I've had in a long time.
That was probably my favorite thing, was the cauliflower, and I was like,
But we started off with really cool, healthy drinks.
oh, that's right. So we got these really good drinks. They were like, I got a pomegranate limeade type of thing. But they started off, which I thought was interesting, saying that the place is like anti-inflammation. Inflammatory. So I don't know what that means.
No Diet Coke.
No Diet Coke, so I was not mad. I was really mad about that. And there's no refills.
Well, we don't know. We didn't ask.
I doubt they would give a refill on that, but everybody got a different drink. My mom got lemonade, I got pomegranate limeade, and then I don't know what you got.
You actually got pictures of that.
I got pictures of it, but
Grandma
I didn't talk about it.
Got bubbly iced tea.
Sparkling
iced
tea?
tea.
Sparkling antioxidant.
Oh,
Iced
sparkling antioxidant tea. So anyway, it was really good. Cauliflower was good. Drinks were really good. I probably had the best drink with the pomegranate limeade.
Our server was so enthusiastic.
Yes, she really was.
She was knowledgeable. She made the visit like that much better.
I know. I wish I got a video of her, but she told me I look like a tourist with my camera. So then I was like,
Right.
I was like, oh, I just like the video. And then what my mom and I got, we got a TLTs, which is smoked tempeh, tomato, lettuce, and then it had vegan mayo and it had avocado on it. It was so good, and it was on sprouted bread. Really good. What does sprouted mean?
It's like the healthiest kind of bread.
Well, it's the healthiest kind of bread. I thought it was really good. It was so filling.
It was toasted too.
And the
Toasted.
sides were these
yeah.
wonderful potatoes.
Sweet potatoes.
Yeah, the sweet potatoes, so good. Then I don't know what you got again. You got a wrap? What was it?
Well, it was chicken.
It was a chicken pita.
Chicken pita wrap.
Right, but it had an Asian sauce, and it was healthy.
Was it good?
Oh, it was real good.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, there was not one thing we didn't like, and then we ended with, I showed the smallest scoop of ice cream to share. It was one scoop, $5. It was made with coconut cream, so it definitely had like a coconutty taste. It was pretty good. So yeah, that's the update on the food place. It was really, really good. So yeah, that's about it for that. I don't know what else to say. Okay, but anyway, now we're just kind of waiting around. We're leaving at 6. It's 5:40 almost, and we're going to the Nutcracker Ballet, which hopefully none of us fall asleep for. But we're all ready. I'm wearing a very intense outfit. I really want to see that. I don't know how much it is. Jesus.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
I'm not laughing.
No, I got I'm like, where the... Nope. Cup holders or anything.
Oh, that was funny.
Thanks, I'm glad you... I like it.
No, I'm just glad you're okay.
Beautiful.
I'm just glad that I was able to, you know, have somebody do it.
Oh, I have my glasses
Secretly
too.
filming. My feet really hurt.
She got really cute salt and ketchup.
Remember I was asking where the salt and pepper was? So we're back. This is so classy. That's the bag I came in. We're at the Marriott in Chicago. Look at these ketchup packets. You've never seen it like this before, folks. So, oh wait, let me just, before you finish your story. Okay, so we're back. I am about to edit this video, and so anyway, we thought the Nutcracker Ballet was exquisite.
Excellent.
Excellent. Grandma.
Stunning.
Stunning. It really was good.
A pleasant surprise.
Really? That's
yeah.
like the thing to do on Christmas, for
I
sure.
can't believe we haven't done it before.
I know. But anyway, really good. Barbie Nutcracker, a close second. Very good. So anyway, that is all I have to say for today. I will see everyone tomorrow for Vlogmas Day. I have no idea anymore. Bye.